Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my current monthly favorites, which is January favorites. So these are some of the products which I have been using all this month and also towards the end of December, and I've been really loving these. So today I'm going to be sharing you my top 6 January favorites. So yeah, but before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please share it with your friends and family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So the first favorite is from Bath and Body Works, and it is their body wash from their Aromatherapy collection. So these are the 3 body washes from BodyShop which I've been really loving this January. So I got these in the month of December towards the end, and so I thought let me use it for 1 month, and then if I like them I'll put it in my January favorites. So yeah, here I have been using them since 1 month, and so I really enjoyed using them. So I'm putting them in my top 6 January favorites. So this is the first one, and it is Bergamont plus Mandarin, and these have natural essential oils, and this is also a body wash and foam bath, and this is their 10 fluoride ounces. So whenever I used to visit Body Shop, I used to go to their aromatherapy collection, and then these were like $14-15 each, but recently towards the end of December I got these for I guess $3 or $4, something like that, and it was just sale for 1 day and I totally grabbed the opportunity. So I got these, and let me go ahead and open it for you. So oh my god, it smells so amazing. It smells like fresh mandarins and or oranges, and these are so mild on your skin. They are not at all harsh, and they give you that soft luster, shiny luster, and yeah, your skin feels so soft when you use these. The second one in their aromatherapy collection is the black chamomile. Look at the color, guys. It's so beautiful, and it is from their sleep collection, and this has chamomile and bergamot oil. So as you know, chamomile calms the mind and the body, and it's from their sleep collection. So whenever I'm like in a mood to relax, I use this in the evening and I just go to bed. And again, it smells so amazing, guys. So yeah, the third one which I would like to show you is from their Love collection, and it is rose and vanilla. So as you guys know, vanilla calms the mind to encourage relaxation, and rose is every girl's favorite, right? I need not say anything more. So let me go ahead and open. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. It smells like fresh rose flowers, and yeah, these has natural essential oils. So yeah, keep out looking for any offers from Bath and Body Works. So they rarely sometimes have offers where you can get these aromatherapy collections at much cheaper prices. So yeah, these are my first favorites in the January month. The next one which I would like to show you is from Tarte, and it is their pineapple of my eye collector set. So for this, I would like to say I have done a mini haul on this. So if you have not watched my previous video on that, please go back and watch it. There I have shown how it looks like and everything. This is the and I have been really loving this, guys. So this is how it looks like, And this has 24 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, 1 highlighter and 1 bronzer, and also this has a mirror. So yeah, this I've been using for last 1 month and I've been really loving it. And that is my second favorite for the month of January. And the next favorite for the month of January are some sheet masks, and these are the masks which I've been using currently. They are from AliExpress. I will link all the products which I'm mentioning in this video in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. So yeah, these are some of the masks which I ordered. One thing about AliExpress is that it takes a little bit time to deliver your things, but the quality is really good, so I am okay when it comes to waiting for a little bit long if the products are good. So yeah, these are the so let me go ahead and show you one by one. This is their bitter melon nourishing and repairing face mask. The next one is cucumber continuous water replenishment, and it's a skin moisturizing facial mask. The next one is from BioAqua, and it is their rose extract and goat pink mask. The next one is seaweed extract and hyaluronic acid mask. I would like to say I've been using these BioAqua face masks for like 4 or 5 years now, and I really love them. And I think you can do a patch test before using one of them, and if it's okay with your skin, you can totally go ahead and do it. So yeah, the next one is Cactus Hydra mask, again from BioAqua. The next one is their Water Lily Moist Mask. The next one is their Pomegranate Nourishing Mask. The next one is their Chamomile Refining Mask. I really love the smell of these sheet masks from BioAqua. They smell so amazing and they are so soft on your skin. So the next one is again from BioAqua, and it's their Green Tea Oil Control Mask. Again, the next one is their Aloe Moisturizing Mask. And last but not the least is their Nettu Moisturizing Mask. I guess Nettu means pea, I'm not sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, these are the face masks which I have been using and really loving. Fourth monthly favorite is from BodyShop, and it is their hand creams. So these are 1 ounce each, and these are from their festival collection. So the first one which I would like to show you is called Berry Bonbon, and let me go ahead and open it. Oh my god, it smells like fresh berries, like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and I really love these. These are so good. I mean, these are travel friendly. You can just put it in your bag and you will never have chapped hands. The next one which I would like to show you is again from their holiday collection, and it's the Peppermint Candycane. It looks so beautiful and festive, guys, and this smells like mint. So yeah, I like mint sometimes, so that's why this is in my bag. And the next one is again from the holiday collection, and it's called the Vanilla Marshmallow, and it looks like this. So let me go ahead and, oh my god, this smells amazing. It smells fresh vanilla and marshmallow, and I feel like I want to eat vanilla ice cream and marshmallow right now. So yeah, those three were my fourth January favorites. The next one which I would like to show you is again from BodyShop, and it is their face mask. It is their British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. So I have done a Body Shop haul on these face masks. So if you have not watched my previous video on my Body Shop haul, please go back and watch them. There I have shown all different kinds of face masks. So this is the one which I have been using currently, and I really love it. It is so amazing, guys. It smells like fresh roses. So if you know me by now, you know that I am a big fan of their British Rose toner. So I decided to give it a try and use this British Rose mask. And the results have been amazing. I really love how it looks on my skin. It moistens my skin. It makes it supple and beautiful. And so yeah, I have been really loving this face mask. One more thing I would like to say, I'm doing a fun challenge on my channel, and let me give you a hint. It is about face mask from Body Shop. If you want to know more about it, keep on looking into my channel and I will be posting it shortly. Last but not the least is my current favorite, and I've been really loving it. I recently got a light box from AliExpress. So I've been watching other YouTubers and some people on Instagram. They have these light box on their Instagram posts and YouTube channels. So I did a little bit research to know what it is, and then I ordered one. So I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the light box, and it came with these stickers. So guys, I have done a video on this light box, unboxing of this light box and a mini review of this. So if you have not watched that video, please go back and watch it. There I have shown all the details about it. So today I'll just be showing how this light box looks like. So this is how my light box looks when lit on, and now I'm going to give you a close-up, and that is how it looks. So this is a very pretty birthday cake, and here in this light box you can definitely use whatever alphabets you want, and maybe you can write the name of your channel or write whatever you want here using the alphabets which came with this light box. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm really loving this one. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family, and please let me know in the comment section below if any of these relates to you and if any of these was your monthly favorite. I would love to hear that out from you guys. So yeah, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye bye and have fun.